Hello everyone, today let me introduce you to the use and setup of the Generalscan wearable Bluetooth scanner with a multi-language physical keyboard layout setup for Android devices. First, please pair with Bluetooth HID mode with an Android device. After you connect the Bluetooth HID keyboard, the Generalscan Bluetooth scanner will act as an external Bluetooth keyboard device, like you connect a keyboard to your PC computer. Please go to System Setting for the Android system, and then click Language and Input Setting and select Physical Keyboard. First, please enable to use on-screen keyboard. It will allow you can use the virtual software keyboard when you use the external Bluetooth scanner. Then, please click the Bluetooth scanner name which is listed on the physical keyboard, and it will pop up a menu. Choose Keyboard Layout. Next, please click Setup Keyboard Layouts. So right now, the system will list all different country keyboard layouts. Next, please enable the English keyboard as the physical Bluetooth scanner because most of barcode format was decoded as English ASCII code. You can choose another keyboard layout depending on what the barcode decode characters set you used. After finish setting the physical keyboard layout, please launch any Notes app for the test. When you switch to either the English or Spanish soft keyboard layout, you will notice no change in the information of the scan barcode. If you change the physical keyboard layout to Spanish, you will find the barcode information will be changed. The dash character will be changed to other characters. Thanks for watching.
Generalscan. Scan mobile world, decode creative future.